Czarnina. Duck soup. A side dish from Poland. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Cover whole duck with water in large stock pot. Add salt and bring to a boil. Skim off foam. Step 2. Place celery, parsley, allspice, and cloves in a cheesecloth bag, and add to stock pot. Cover and cook over low heat until meat is tender, approximately 1.5 hours. Step 3. Remove cheesecloth bag from stock pot. Remove duck. Discard bones, cut up meat, and return to the broth. Step 4. Mix in prunes, raisins, and apple. Simmer for 30 minutes. Step 5. In a medium bowl, beat flour and sugar into cream until smooth. Beat in duck blood gradually. Add half cup hot soup stock to blood mixture, blending thoroughly. Pour mixture slowly back into stock pot, stirring constantly until soup comes to a boil.